Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has gone through numerous leaks and rumors over the past months, giving us nearly all the information that we need. However, for the first time, a leaked hands-on video of the handset has popped up online, leaving absolutely nothing to the imagination. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The video shows the unannounced Galaxy Note 9 from the front and back, sporting the same design that we have seen so far in the leaked images. Since the screen is turned off in this one, it is particularly difficult to make out the area captured by the bezels on top and bottom. However, at the back, one can see the dual rear camera setup and the fingerprint sensor as well. The sides pretty much curved and as usual, and the back panel is made out of complete glass, something that is not new with Samsung flagships. Not much can be deciphered from the leaked video nonetheless. It confirms the previous design seen in leaked images, giving more weight to the claims. The legitimacy of the video is questionable as of now. Mobile Fun, the website that got hold of the video, says that it got the device through a retailer contacts from China. The device was apparently being tested for screen protectors. Although the launch is almost a week away, a leaked poster recently revealed the price of the device. As per the leak, the alleged price of the base variant that comes with 128GB of internal storage will be 13.5 million Indonesian rupiah, that roughly translates to 64,400 Indian rupees or $943. And as for the second variant, it is said to be priced at 17.5 million Indonesian rupiah, that roughly translates to 83,500 Indian rupees or $1,222. Besides the prices, the poster also lists the available color variants, where the base variants are listed in Mystic Black, Engineered Blue, and Artisan Copper color options. The 512GB variant is expected to be available in Mystic Black and Engineered Blue only, and the handset is actually scheduled to launch on the 9th of August in New York at Samsung Unpacked. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.